One thing that protects millions of people around the world is medicine. It plays an important role in keeping us healthy and improves our quality of life. So, we should ensure the quality of these medicines. Quality assurance is a way of preventing mistakes and defects in manufacturing medicinal products and avoids problems when delivering them to patients. Drugs should be marketed as safe and effective products whose performance is consistent and predictable. The Quality Control Laboratory is one of the most important functions in pharmaceutical production, and a significant portion of the current GMP regulations pertain to the Quality Control Laboratory and product testing.
At the core of any scientific organization, from pharmaceutical manufacturers to academic research labs, is data. Regardless of the type of data being produced and analyzed in a lab, it must be trustworthy and accurate. Ensuring data integrity and security promotes a positive lab culture, protects the lab's reputation, and drives business growth. Because data is the main outcome from a quality control laboratory, the integrity of this data must not be in question and have very specific standards associated with the data generated.
Data integrity is a broad term, commonly defined as the maintenance of, and the assurance of, data accuracy and consistency over its entire life cycle. However, there are a variety of factors that can lead to data integrity failures, ranging from accidental human error, improperly followed standard operating procedures, lack of training, or in the worst-case scenario, intentional misrepresentation of the data. Pharmaceutical manufacturers, third-party testing labs, and similar quality control facilities are typically first of mind when thinking about the importance of data integrity, as these companies carry the burden of ensuring that only safe and healthy products are on the market, but the reliability of data is paramount in any lab setting. FDA states that data needs to meet certain fundamental criteria to be considered quality data. Labs can refer to the ALCOA principles when developing strategies for data integrity. On the business side, the financial reasons to ensure data integrity and compliance are clear. A lab could spend a substantial amount of money and effort if experiments need to be repeated, in addition to time and productivity loss. Additionally, if your lab successfully implements clear and strict compliance strategies, you will stand out among other competitors as a trusted resource.
Welcome to the state-of-the-art pharmaceutical laboratory management system CORPEX SilverLIMS. Virtually the whole operation can be controlled, and data captured by SilverLIMS can perform these tasks. There is little that needs to be recorded outside of the system. Just look at the simplicity of the electronic process in SilverLIMS in comparison to the complexity of the manual process. SilverLIMS is a popular solution to help ensure data integrity. Some benefits of these tools include automatic data capture, the ability to maintain an audit trail for all records, and keeping data in one central place, as opposed to different platforms. CORPEX SilverLIMS can integrate with common laboratory instruments to provide workflow guidance and have options to enhance security.
In the analytical testing laboratory, we have entered a new age in the scale and complexity of data as well as the pace at which the data is generated. Today, laboratories require secure, compliant laboratory information management systems and powerful tools for analysis and to extract both the laboratory and business intelligence from their data. In the world of data integrity, the focus is typically on the data and the numbers. How can technology, such as a laboratory information management system (LIMS), help to ensure data integrity?
One of the key requirements for automation is to acquire data electronically at the point of origin. This means no printing of results, no writing down of information, and no manual transfer or retyping of data. The key to data integrity is to control the primary data acquisition stage so that the foundation of data correctness, accuracy, and completeness at the point of origin is assured. If you are unable to control these elements, the rest of any automated process is worthless.
It is well known that the main function of LIMS is the management of sample receiving, distribution, tracking and reporting. However, SilverLIMS manages all laboratory resources such as instruments, materials, product specifications, suppliers, reagents and material consumption. In addition to lab document management, product quality review, statistical process control, personnel training and qualification, result deviation, investigation and COPPA.
It ensures that the correct type or, if required, an individual instrument is selected for use and that it is qualified. Attempts to select a different or unqualified instrument will be blocked by the LIMS. The calibration checks, if using external weights, can be captured by the LIMS to determine if the balance meets predetermined acceptance criteria. In addition, the cumulative calibration data can be plotted to see if there are any trends apparent over a user-defined period.
Time and date stamps will be applied to the data by the LIMS server, which is linked to the network time server, which itself is linked to a trusted external time source.
Trend analysis provides graphical and tabular representation of results and data of different batches to study the behavioral trend of a product over a period of time. Analyzing trends reflects a comprehensive and exact pulse check of quality performance depends on your organization's ability to extract data that is current, comprehensive and accurate.
Finally, SilverLIMS uses a relational database to store the LIMS data. Data analytics tools provide another way to present this data. Using their ability to aggregate information and present it in the form of simple-to-interpret graphs, tables and diagrams, these tools allow key LIMS information to be represented in a way that facilitates the decision-making process. Thank you for watching.